Good afternoon, everybody. I'm coming on with my 10 cards and one kit, the kit from Leslie's Crafts. If you go to my previous videos, there's an unboxing and that's got all the details of where you can buy the kit from. It's basically Leslie's Crafts selling page on Facebook. And here's my 10 cards that I made with the kit. This is the first one. So this is from the Ephemera pack and the add-on kit. The add-on pack, the papers, the washi tape. This is card number 2. This is washi tape, the papers. These are from the add-on kit that I've used. So it's a little file, a Memorydex file type thing, file in 2 tea bags. It's the third card. I've used my banner die on this, put some washi tape over the top, used another one of them file folders and stuck some gems on. Card number 4. I've cut a strip of the paper out. This is the die that comes with this kit, so you can use it as many times as you want, cut as many out as you want. So that's the pie die, washi tape, and 3 gems on there. This comes in the kit as well, and so does the ribbon and the saying, well, the word, the cupcake charm. So that was card number 4. Card number 5. This is card number 5, one of the embellishments. That's add on the tea bags. Then these are just the strips that were left over, so I've just cut them at an angle because a lot of people do the I've just noticed that there. Oh dear, caught it there. A lot of people use the banner die cuts like these, but if you haven't got them, then why not just cut them at a slant and use them that way? So that's a real easy card to construct, that is. And again, 2 of the words. Card number 7. The paper and the background, one of the words. This is from the Ephemera pack that comes in the kit and the washi tape that comes in the kit. Card number 8. I've used my own card here, this blue card, just to make the paper pop a bit more. So that's all layered. These come in the kit. They're my own gems that I've used. Washi tape and a little saying that comes in the kit. These are lovely. It's a lovely kit to work with. It's so easy to work with. There's another one. Oh no, I've miscounted. Or I've done more than 10. Well, anyway, here's another card. Again, I've used my own card just to accent the paper and make it pop more. I've die cut a circle out of the paper, stuck one of the add-ons on, and I've die cut a heart as well, and it says shopping. And here's a shaker card. So I've done a complete panel, A6 panel on this card. Made the shaker element, stuck one of the embellishments that comes in the kit and one of the add-ons. That's the shaker card. This is the last card that I made, and for this what I did was I cut a strip of the paper that comes in the kit. Then I die cut 3 circles out of my own card, and then I used 3 pieces of the Ephemera that comes in the Ephemera kit, which is in the card kit, and then I layered the paper up and put You're the Icing on My Cupcake. This is a really, really lovely kit to work with. You can make these cards look so quick and so easy. It's actually easier than the mermaid kit to work with. It's just a dream kit to work with. Like I say, this is June's Retro Kitchen kit from Leslie's Crafts. Please go out and check her selling page on Facebook, and the next video that I'll be doing will be on Monday, and that will be Z cards that I do with the kit. And I'm going to do a tutorial on that so you can see how I make them up. using the UK A4 cardstock, and the kit papers from the kit and embellishments. Right, thank you very much for watching. If you've watched, I really do appreciate, and I will see you back here Monday. Bye bye.